Every time your device sends a request to the open web, you are launching raw, unprotected data directly into the wild. And without a shield, that stream is wide open to being intercepted. That is where a virtual private network comes in. A VPN wraps your internet traffic in a layer of encryption and masks your actual IP address from the sites you visit. But if you search the App Store right now, you will hit an immediate roadblock. Thousands of apps promise to do this entirely for free, competing right alongside the heavy-hitting paid giants. So why would you hand over a monthly subscription fee for a digital utility you can just download for $0? This decision dictates the actual ceiling of your digital safety. Choosing between free and paid software determines whether your security is a priority or a product. To understand how these apps operate, we have to look at the physical hardware behind them. Every VPN relies on a massive, global network of real-world servers to route your traffic. Running those servers requires physical space, massive amounts of electricity, and constant maintenance. With real-world expenses piling up every second, a truly free VPN is a physical impossibility. If you aren't paying with cash, the provider is charging you in an alternative currency. Let's track what you are trading away on this comparison table. The entire debate between free and paid tiers boils down to one question. Which currency are you willing to spend to get online? Your dollars or your personal data? Without a transparent subscription fee coming in every month, free providers are forced to get creative to keep the lights on. Direct, their most common solution, is to monitor, log, and sell your browsing data directly to third-party data brokers. Advertisers pay huge money to map out your online behavior, capturing exactly what you shop for, the sites you visit, and the habits you form. If they aren't selling your profile, they are likely bombarding your screen. Free services regularly inject relentless advertisements directly into your user interface. Every single time you click or interact with one of those forced ads, the provider pockets a microtransaction to offset their server costs. Compare this to the paid model. Here, your transparent subscription fee takes a direct path to fund the server upkeep. Because premium providers like NordVPN don't rely on advertiser revenue, they offer strict, verifiable, no-log policies. They simply don't collect the data. Trying to save money with a free provider often flips the entire concept on its head. You end up turning a tool designed for privacy into a surveillance and ad delivery network. Beyond the hidden costs to your privacy, a $0 price tag also dictates the physical experience you have when you try to browse. Free tiers run on overcrowded servers, meaning your bandwidth is drastically restricted, and strict data caps are enforced to keep the network from crashing. Paid platforms use their subscription capital to build and maintain vast global networks, designed specifically to optimize speed and balance heavy traffic. If you want to stream shows in 4K, play competitive online games, or hold stable video calls, you need the unthrottled access that only a paid infrastructure provides. In the end, a free tier severely bottlenecks your daily digital efficiency, making it incredibly frustrating for modern internet use. There is a common assumption that any VPN, even a free one, at least provides a baseline wall of security against hackers. Implementing and auditing the latest encryption protocols requires significant engineering talent and ongoing investment. Without steady revenue, free providers fall back on outdated security standards, leaving your traffic as exposed as it would be on an open network. Add to that the constant stream of unvetted ads being injected into your session, which can actively redirect you to malicious websites. Premium VPNs function as comprehensive cybersecurity suites. They integrate multiple layers of protection into a single tool, defending your connection against diverse digital threats. Your subscription fee pays for robust encryption standards, dedicated threat protection, and continuous upgrades to stay ahead of malware. Paying for a service also grants you a crucial operational advantage: direct access to 24/7 customer support the minute a technical issue arises. Look at the breakdown on this table. Free VPNs demand a high cost in privacy and speed, while delivering low security. Paid tiers require money, but secure your data and deliver unlimited performance. A free app might be slightly better than using public Wi-Fi completely naked, but trusting it with your daily digital security is a massive, unnecessary risk. Let's look at this decision flowchart to map your specific internet habits and find the right investment model for you. If you have a $0 budget and just need a one-time IP mask for a low-stakes, non-sensitive task, then a reputable free tier is acceptable. You just have to explicitly accept the trade-off of slow speeds and data logging. However, if you plan to stream, play games online, or conduct remote work securely, you absolutely require the advanced security, strict no-log policies, and unthrottled speeds of a paid premium service. Making the right choice means accurately matching your personal risk tolerance with the correct economic model. In the cybersecurity industry, the free label is always an illusion. Every single internet user pays for their secure network access. You either make an upfront financial investment or you pay a backdoor data tax. You have to evaluate what you value most in your digital life, retaining ownership of your private data or saving a few dollars a month. Choose the trade-off you can confidently live with and invest in the tools that actually keep you safe online.